Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Pope Francis welcomes youth worldwide. Chief Minister roots for overseas nurses. So Saying Tourist Guide Travel Society introduces a 7-star Expo at 04. And significant breakthrough in dacoity cases by Riboy Police. And now the news in detail. Pope Francis welcomed young people from around the world to the 37th World Youth Day in Lisbon, Portugal. During the lively welcoming ceremony, he emphasized that God's love is personal and individual, calling each person by name. The event showcased unity in diversity with participants from 21 countries and highlighted inclusivity with performances in Portuguese Sign Language. The Pope's message encouraged embracing questions and restlessness as means of growth, reinforcing that God's love is for everyone as they are. The ceremony ended with an inspiring anagram performance and the World Youth Day anthem, Ha Pressa No Ar, There's a Rush in the Air.
Solamente era esto lo que les quería decir. No tengan miedo, tengan coraje, vayan adelante, sabiendo que estamos amortizados por el amor que Dios nos tiene. Dios nos ama, digámoslo juntos todos, Dios nos ama. Más fuerte, que no oigo. No se oye acá, ¿eh? Gracias, adiós. Invoquemos os nosos patronos, que sirvan a Cristo de todo corazón.
دبراشة جيانا والتشمشتا أمنتا تاكلا.
Nossa Senhora da Visitação.
Janie Pawle II, Ty z nadzieją uwierzyłeś w młodzież zdolną do zmiany świata poprzez świadectwo wiary.
São João Paulo II.
Giovanni Bosco, che nella tua vicinanza ad ogni giovane sei stato segno e portatore dell'amore di Dio.
São João Bosco.
Vicente, con la fuerza de tu fe, nos inspiras a servir con valentía y alegría.
São Vicente.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announced support for trained nurses in seeking job placements globally during an overseas nursing job fair. The event, in collaboration with various organizations, aimed to enhance opportunities for nurses and other sectors, focusing on skill-based education. The Chief Minister emphasized the importance of skill development and the success of this approach in increasing youth employability. The government pledged to aid candidates selected by overseas companies and contribute to their training expenses. The Chief Minister encouraged overseas placements, highlighting potential salaries and remittance to families. The initiative's success is being actively pursued by the Meghalaya Skill Development Society, Labour Department and Health Department. Minister Dr. Ampreen Lingdo emphasized skill sharpening and language exposure for aspiring nurses, along with ensuring their safety abroad. And upcoming job fair in Tura was also mentioned to reach aspiring nurses from Garo Hills.
When this was presented to me, clearly it made a lot of sense for us to go ahead and do this so that we are able to, as I said, get advantage for our youth and for our nurses in terms of the opportunity that exists. So therefore, this is a great project. This is something that we fully support. Our minister has mentioned that there was a request from the training company that there should be some subsidy and some financial support from the state government. And the amount that was mentioned by them, which was 50,000 rupees per beneficiary, without any hesitation, as I said, the finance department has cleared that. And Kong Ampreen was asking me that how many people are we looking at? Is there a limit to the number of people that we will send in the first year? I told her very, very clearly and very confidently, we have no limits. So in case tomorrow all 1,000 of you are there who wish to go and qualify and are able to complete your training, rest assured the state government will support each and every one of you. We are not going to leave any stone not unturned, I should say. We will make sure that every stone is unturned to ensure that this opportunity it comes along and you're able to take advantage of it. And let's just realize this, it's not rocket science or a great... I'll talk about a country like Bangladesh. And if you study the entire economy of Bangladesh in the last 2 decades, you will see that the amount of foreign exchange that came in because of the people that were working outside coming into the country, into Bangladesh, and the kind of impact it had in the overall savings because people in Bangladesh save a lot. You saw this complete, change taking place at the grassroots level in terms of the overall economics. This is just one example of how this entire process could benefit our state. And as I said, apart from the foreign exchange that comes in, the exposure that each one of you will get, the fact that the relationship with the other countries will improve, the fact that not just in nursing, but tomorrow there could be other business opportunities that will open up. The relationship between Meghalaya, India and the countries where we're going to go to will open up more opportunities in other areas like agriculture or trade. And that's really what I look at, and as a government we look at. That this whole idea was brought in by her and discussed with the department. And when they came to me with the presentation, of course without any hesitation, I personally and the whole other departments that were present felt that this is a great opportunity for the youth of our state. And basically this is an initiative that was taken by our Honorable Minister for Health, Kong Ampreen Lingdo, where there was a huge gap that was seen in terms of the need for health care services, especially for nurses at the international level, and the availability of skilled manpower at the state of Meghalaya. And hence the only requirement was to actually connect these two dots, where the government could play a very crucial role in financially supporting as well as logistically supporting this entire initiative. And that is what we're doing today. We have this overseas nurse job fair, where an overwhelming response has come from the nursing community. We have more than 1,000 nurses who have come in here in the first phase, and we are now going to go through a selection process where few nurses will be selected, and the government of Meghalaya will be supporting them with 50,000 for their training from the government of Meghalaya side per individual, and as many as they qualify, we will be happy to support as many as possible. And we hope that once this happens, this will be a huge impact, not just in the personal lives of the individuals who get through, but for the overall state, where foreign exchange, different connections and different sectors will then open up for economic activity in the state with the country with which we are able to partner with and send our manpower out there. So it's a great step forward, and I congratulate the Honorable Minister, congratulate the department and all the stakeholders who have made this particular job fair a possibility. We will be having this job fair also in Tura very soon, because our nurses from Tura were not able to come. So we will ensure that in Garo Hills region also this job fair is conducted. And in the future, not just nursing, but we hope to be able to expand and reach out to other sectors also apart from nursing, like hospitality, like the construction sector, and even areas of, like, say for example, music and other sectors. So we are seeing a great opportunity, and this is just the beginning. We hope that we'll be able to really expand this and really provide great opportunity to the youth of our state.
R. Kharbekyu, the ADC of Ribhoi district, inaugurated the 7-star Expo at Nongpo on August 4th. Organized by the Sosing Tourist Guide Travel Society Nongpo and led by IG Khongla as the president, the event took place at the Nongpo shopping complex. Prior to the unveiling, a brief meeting was held in the presence of Rona Khamdet, former MDC of Nongpo constituency, along with police officers, town and village leaders, society members and others. This expo attracted participants from various Indian states, showcasing a diverse range of household and multi-purpose products. The trade fair is set to continue until August 21st.
So by cutting this ribbon, it's a symbol that I have opened this, inaugurated this trade fair. I wish this trade fair will be blessed.
Kiba yang ki kijak lojong ban sang ki kam lade ban kumno ban yo I ki tiar kiba ki wei ki wara na ba bat kumno ban pan I pet ba ye ki tiar kiba nangni na po thain Ribhoi jungi ha ki fair kiba keleng keleng nakada kadaw ni wan ba wa I ka ni ka fair kaba ki samwa jungi kan ktik ya ka mensim jongki khanang bakila ban sang ye ki kam lade ban pan I pet ba ye ki ni ki sap ki phong ki ba ki don
Especially in Shillong. And those programs like the trade fair, international trade fair, Northeast trade fair were organized by the government departments from the industries department. It was not done by private parties. I guess this program is done by a private entrepreneur. So earlier such type of program was always conducted by the government of Meghalaya through the commerce and industries department. So it was a big fanfare those days in Polo Hills. So from there, participants in the trade expo were selected, and then they were sponsored to present in New Delhi during the international trade fair promotion that is always held at Pragati Maidan during the month of November. They gradually, but what happened now, you can see lots of private stakeholders taking part in such program. I feel these type of programs are very good. In fact, the term expo, it means exposure. Whenever you expose, whenever you display or exhibit any products, local products, traditional products in any given place, local place, that's what exposure is. So I believe through this program, I urge upon the farmers, the agriculturists of Ribhoi district as a whole, that in such program they can take this program as a platform to showcase their various items. Ribhoi is popular for India, for any products. So I hope these type of platform will give opportunity to our local farmers to showcase their products. So I also urge the organizers of this program, the Star Expo, that whatever you see, whatever unique product that you can see through this expo conducted here in this town, you may please, I urge you to please promote our local farmers to showcase the products in various platforms like the state or the northeast. Especially you have in Guwahati, in Judges Field or in Khanapara ground, you used to witness lots of such great expo. So I hope that you'll continue the friendship with our local entrepreneurs here. You'll promote them in other platforms like in the northeast or maybe in the national level. So I didn't see any officers from the district commerce industries. In fact, they are very apt to be present in this moment. Kini bandon na siya ki officer industries I invite. Nama tu kini program kay hak maha balik industries department. Kini don kinyo mencukias, kinyo napo department, napo government. Nisiton ki program haba napo Shillong, napo industries department. Kisi ilam ki entrepreneurs. Kisidan kapor pakilam beting kiju manfinam. Ke da pakilam da ki explore in various districts. You can get lots of entrepreneurs from other districts, especially Riboy and Jowai, and sort of, you can take those local entrepreneurs, sponsor them for the trip to Delhi, trade fair and all that. So I wish this program the very best. I urge upon all the communities, the local visitors here to maintain discipline, peace and harmony. These type of trade fairs, it's just a proof that Riboy district is a very peaceful district where such programs can be held in a smooth way. So I wish that
the Office of the Superintendent of Police Riboy District announced a major breakthrough in the investigation of recent dacoity cases that occurred in Umduba and Umnove killing. The incidents, which took place on May 22, 2023 and July 11, 2023, involve armed individuals entering stone crusher units in Khanapara Police Station, Riboy District and robbing approximately Rs 85,400 and 1,90,000 rupees respectively. In response to these incidents, a special investigation team SIT was formed to assist in the cases. The SIT conducted a comprehensive investigation using various approaches including confidential sources, forensic techniques and data analysis. As a result of their dedicated efforts, the SIT successfully identified and apprehended 7 prime suspects responsible for the heinous crimes. Arrested accused persons includes Kandil Marak, Rachel Moment, Wits Marak, Robert Moment, Marus Marak, Bimot Marak and Colin Moment, with the recovered items and air gun, a country-made rifle, 2 country pistols, gunpowder, triggering caps, camouflage clothing, scarf, jungle boots and bags. The Superintendent of Police Riboy District encourages the community to stay vigilant and promptly report any suspicious activities to the police department to ensure the safety of residents. On the 3rd day of his participation in World Youth Day at Portugal, Pope Francis arrived at Serafina Parish in the capital city of Lisbon on August 4, 2023. During this visit, he extended his gratitude and appreciation to volunteers who are engaged in acts of kindness, particularly directed towards disadvantaged individuals, including those living on the streets. Pope Francis conveyed his delight in witnessing individuals who continue to follow the selfless example set by Mother Mary in their efforts to assist others. The Pontiff's presence at the Serafina Parish underscored his ongoing commitment to promoting compassion, solidarity and the spirit of service within the church community.
Y la presencia de ustedes, realidad concreta de amor en acción, nos ayuda a no olvidar la ruta, el sentido de lo que estamos haciendo siempre. Gracias por sus testimonios, de los que quisiera subrayar 3 aspectos. Hacer el bien juntos, actuar concretamente y estar cerca de los más frágiles. O sea, hacer el bien juntos, actuar concretamente, no solo con ideas, sino concretamente, y estar cerca de los más frágiles. Primero, hacer el bien juntos. Juntos es la palabra clave que se ha repetido muchas veces en las intervenciones. Vivir, ayudar y amar juntos. Jóvenes y adultos, sanos y enfermos, juntos. Yo nos ha dicho algo muy importante, que uno no se debe dejar definir por la enfermedad, sino hacer la parte viva del aporte que nosotros damos al conjunto de la comunidad. Es verdad, no debemos dejarnos definir por la enfermedad o por los problemas, porque no somos nosotros una enfermedad, no somos un problema. Cada uno de nosotros es un regalo, es un don único, con sus límites, pero un don valioso y sagrado para Dios, para la comunidad cristiana y para la comunidad humana. Entonces, así como somos, enriquezcamos el conjunto y dejémonos enriquecer por el conjunto. Segundo, actuar concretamente. También esto es importante, como nos ha recordado don Francisco, citando a San Juan 23. La Iglesia no es un museo de arqueología. Algunos la piensan así, pero no es. Es la antigua fuente del pueblo que suministra el agua a las generaciones actuales igual que a las futuras. La fuente sirve para apagar la sed de las personas que llegan con el peso del viaje de la vida y son concreción. Por tanto, atención aquí y ahora, como ya están haciendo ustedes con un esmero en los detalles y un sentido práctico, hermosas virtudes típicas del pueblo portugués. Son muchas las cosas que quisiera decirle ahora, pero sucede que no me están funcionando los reflectores y no puedo leer bien, y así que se los voy a dar para que lo hagan público esto después, y no forzar la vista y leer mal, eso no se puede hacer. Pues solamente quiero detenerme ya en algo que no está escrito, pero está en el espíritu de esto, ¿no? Lo concreto. No hay amor abstracto, no existe. El amor platónico está en órbita, no está en la realidad. El amor concreto, ese que se ensucia las manos. Y cada uno de nosotros puede preguntar, el amor que yo siento a todos los de aquí, los que siento hacia los demás, ¿es concreto o abstracto? Yo cuando le doy la mano a una persona necesitada, a un enfermo, a un marginado, después de dar la mano, ¿hago así enseguida para que no se me contagie? ¿Le tengo asco a la pobreza de los demás? Busco siempre la vida destilada, esa que existe en mi fantasía, pero no existe en la realidad. ¿Cuántas vidas destiladas inútiles que pasan por la vida sin dejar huella, porque su vida no tiene peso? Y aquí tenemos una realidad que deja huella, una realidad de tantos años, que está dejando una huella que es de inspiración a los demás. No podría existir una jornada mundial de la juventud sin tener en cuenta esta realidad. Porque esto también es juventud en el sentido que ustedes generan vida nueva continuamente. Ustedes con esta conducta de ustedes, con el compromiso de ustedes, con el ensuciarse las manos de ustedes por tocar la realidad y la miseria de los demás, están generando inspiración, están generando vida. Y gracias por eso. Se lo agradezco de todo corazón. Sigan adelante y no se desanimen. Y si desaniman, tomen un vaso de agua y sigan para adelante.
Kublai pi baro ki nong page nong Christian jong katon Bosco Media Network mentang don haka sengi ka basau jong kane ka World Youth Day haka ba pa ku wan shim benta rengkat berki kena semlan haka benta kane ka World Youth Day menta men step haka por kandai steng pa ku le ye kendu ye kibriu ki ba trei mon sngobha bat kibriu ki bale kamis nei hangne po ri Portugal badu na kiwe ki ri de kane ke jingkren jungu pang kwa ban yatu ep menta haka tin khasi nangkong e ukpa bukhui u po Francis su akublei u parish priest jong kane ke jaka ka san saferino badru e kito baro ki briu ki batremon subha bat ki bale kamis nei ki blap yang subhai u nang tau ong ba kapang jong kane ka World Youth Day kajinya kendu jong ki samlam tau snem kadai halor kajinya kendu jong ka Maria mo ya ka Elizabeth bakoi ka Maria kalik mare bak ban le jarap ya ka bakha jong ka Elizabeth ti ukpa bakoi juang ba kata dia kamram jong ki Kristen kata dia kamram jongi kinong bot jong Ukres juang ban le jarap ya gitu kibadan kami kisinya rap jungi baru kupa buku juang ngakmen ba mapi u kudau ya kini kibriu kiba tremon sung bahabat kibale kami snei wong ngakmen ba pila le ya kene ngakam bat pilong ki saki yang ki Kristen lemma ki kam kiba mapi pile ten kata uang ngaku aban lightly ki mat halor kane kakam tremon sung bahabat ka kam isnei wong don lightly kimat ban ai wong kaben kong wong habang ile na mangi tre mon sngobha ukpa ku wong ngidei ban tre lang ngidei ban le lang ngimdei ban le marwe ndei ngidei ban tre lang wong ngi im ban yarap iwe ngi im ban ye tre lang ngi im ban ye tre lang ban duk usuk ngi im ban ye tre lang ban upapang bastom kata kadai poin kaben kong kaba u kwa banong kaba ar wong habang ile ya ka kam isnei ne habang itrei kam mon sobha u pa ba ku juang ka jintre jungi ka de bendon jingmot kam dei ka jintre ka bendon tang ha ka plan ne kam dei ka bendon tang ki ken jing ya kren henry ngire ban le ke ha ka kam ka bendon jingmot bat ka balai u pa ba ku u Francis wong habang ile ne ngitrei ki kam isnei ne kam mon sobha uang ngidei ban le ekam isnei bat tri kemon somha kam tam na ka benta gitu ke badam kam ke kita ke badam kam uang ke baduk ke bashitom mo gitu ke ba ka imlang ka salang kala kantai gitu ke bamdon ka yeng ka sem gitu ke ba undon jakashu ha ka imlang ka salang ukpa bu ko uang tre nele kemon somha na ka benta gitu ke breu Halin katao ko abukut u pankut ya kacing kren jung u da ka buang sedang benle ya kene kamis ne dalade sedang shwai lade kabu duang each shwai lade shwa phila ban each ne le kamis ne na ka bentak ki uang each shwai lade kemudian yu kata ka each lade pa bukut uang ni de ban burom ni lade kajing burom ni lade de kajing each lade habangi burom ni lade ngin nom pen sniu ya la kajing im uang but kadu kudwai we tu ya ka history ba jing im jong we ru khoi u yo anis jong blai ba khoi ba kumno u ne u breu mo u ino na dong shidong ka jing im jong u le chasurok u long unong krong but haba u krong di kentin ki ba pertau ong ko para tu ichwai la de wa u krong na ka bantai jong u na ka bantai la de en rei ong ko men ko para tu ich la de ada baki beriu ki keli bali wong kumne u ne u jon jong u ne u yo anis jong blai wong lada pi i jala de pi burom mira de pila ban burom ye kiwe mat pila ban ai ke jing yarap ye kiwe mat ngadai kata komen ko para ko pa bo ku wa yang ibaro kamtam ye ki samla bang dei ban long kita ki kristan ki batrei mons ngobha ki bale kamis ne na ka benta ki dukisuk na ka benta ki do ki ba ke imlang ka salang kala kantai mo ni perkhat chua na ka banta ki wei paling la perkhat chuai ki wei lada ngidon kata ka mensim ka burom ni lede ka mensim ka bai je lede ku blei shibun sai sin nang ne na po Lisbon ki wa ban ai ku blei pi kamta mi pi baro ki ba page ya ka channel jungi na ka por sha ka por dang ye page shibit ha ka por janmit ku mangal ong por janmit chane por ndru beje chane takmut ha por wei steng e por jungi spo India kan don kalen ting pna ka ba kisamla kila pen kre naga banta kanika lenti ding pena halor phang jong ka jin stom ka mo ka jin stom ka jin ye kendu kibangi kendu ha ka jin jungi to sai sin ku blai shbon ngai ku blai pi na ne na po Lisbon na po media center jungi nang ne blai shbon
Nongpo Nepali Secondary School marked a momentous occasion on August 4th as it celebrated its 50th anniversary since its establishment in 1973. The festivities, which began yesterday, saw the school adorned with a series of programs to commemorate its Golden Jubilee. The school authorities curated a diverse array of events for the Golden Jubilee celebration. These included traditional dance competitions, riddle contests, as well as drawing and writing competitions. A total of 13 schools from the Ribhoi region participated enthusiastically in these engaging competitions, adding to the celebratory spirit. The grand event took place at the District Library Hall, where the ADC of Ribhoi District, Manish Kumar, graced the occasion. Notable attendees also included CM Adhikari, Senior Advocate, District Court, Nongpo, Madhav Singh, President of the School Managing Committee, and Reena Mary Nyota, Principal. The presence of esteemed guests, dedicated teachers, enthusiastic students, and others added to the vibrant atmosphere of the celebration.
I dream high, that I should move higher, I have to progress. Like you must have watched Mahendra Singh Dhoni movie, MS Dhoni. He was also a cricket character, but he dreamed high. He never left, pursuing his dream. He never left practice, despite the hard job he was pursuing in railway. So always dream high, and your family, your teachers will shape your dream. They will show you the right path. So that you will achieve higher and rise with the flying colors in your personal life. So the second message that I want to give you, always connect with the nature, because nowadays if you see and all of us read in the newspaper that we have disbalances our relations with the nature in our day-to-day life. So in our childhood days or in our young phase, we should connect with the nature, understand its importance, how it shapes our social life, economic life, and how we build better relations with the nature without harming them. The third thing that I want to share, always surround yourself with good friends and wonderful books, because in life two growth happens. One is the physical growth, means biological growth. That happens naturally, you don't have to control that. But most of the time we stop our intellectual growth. We never read, we never pursue the good thoughts. So always pursue a good reading habits, always keep some good books with you, so that you you can nurture your intellectual skills at every time. This is with you will all the times. Even you have left this world, your intellectual capital will remain with you, with your name in this world.
Congratulations, little budding stars, on your phenomenal dance. From expression, their distraction, they did not stop their dance. Congratulations, new era.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.